Welcome to part 11 of our quick start tutorial on TextBlob with Python. So, we are going to discuss on how to get the word and noun phrase counts in a text. So, we are going to use our text editor, obvious. So, this is the text we are going to use. We are the red jets of the north, as King Ragnarok said. We have no fear. So, we are going to count each and every words, how the count of the words, how it exists in the text. For example, as we take we have two we's on our text. So we are going to count how many times does we exist in our text. We have the how many times does they exist in our text. So to get that, we are going to use the blob created here, then the method word count. So to get the word count, we are going to use the blob, the text blob we created, then the method word underscore counts. Then we are going to print the word count. So let's run our program. As you can see, as I was explaining, we exist two times in our text. There the same case, and the rest you can see exist each one time on our text. And that's how you can count the word existence in a text. The other thing we are going to discuss is the noun phrase. But before we go to noun phrase, we can maybe get a particular word and get the how many times does it exist in our text. We are going to use the method count and pass in the string. We want to check how many times does it exist in our text. So again, we are going to use the blob, then call the method count and pass in the string. We want to check how many times it exists in our text. We can pass in we, and then run the program. So sorry about that. We are supposed to use we on the words on the text blob. So we are going to use the word list. So to generate the word list from blob, you have to use the method of the property words. Then you are going to call the method count. So let's repeat that and run again. Yeah, as you can see, it prints 2. We exist 2 times in our text, and that's how you can get maybe a particular word, how many times it exists, or you can get all the counts of the word on how it exists on the times it exists in our text. The other thing is to get the noun phrase count, or the frequency of the noun phrase. So it's the same thing as the how I have explained on the count. So you are going to pass in the, let me show by example. So you're going to print the noun phrase count. So you're going to pass in the first thing first is use the blob. Then you are going to use the method noun phrases. Then you are going to count. For example, let's see, because Ragnarok is a noun. Let's see how many times to exist in our text. As you can see, we have 1, showing that Ragnarok only existed once in our text. And that's all on how to get the word count of the noun phrase count on our text using the text blob.